At BPU, we're committed to preventing power outages caused by tree growth. That's why we trim trees in the public right-of-way and offer Kansas City, Kansas residents resources to help them trim trees near power lines on their private property. When BPU provides scheduled tree maintenance in the public right-of-way, it means we trim trees where public streets, sidewalks, and utilities are located. If scheduled tree maintenance is planned for your neighborhood, we'll notify you by phone. Make sure we have your correct phone number. BPU will also leave a door hanger. Then we'll send a contracted expert to correctly and safely trim trees in the public right-of-way. Our tree service contractors will remove tree debris when the procedure is complete. BPU also provides emergency tree trimming. If a tree is on a power line or causes an outage, call the electric outage line. Our experts will safely clear tree limbs from power lines and poles so we can restore your electricity as soon as possible. If you're concerned about a potential safety issue with a power line due to plant or tree growth on your property, we'll have someone come by to verify if the issue is a safety concern and confirm if trimming is necessary. Remember that you, the owner, are responsible for tree and debris removal when emergency tree trimming is complete. For yard waste options and disposal drop sites, call UG Waste Management. You are responsible for trimming trees and plants near service lines on your property. Contact our line drop service, and for a small fee, we'll temporarily lower the power lines so you can trim safely. BPU also offers free advice on tree trimming and planting the right tree in the right spot. Let's work together to plant, prune, and care for the trees in our neighborhoods. BPU, that's the power of community.